We don't know who created or who founded the coronavirus, but the vaccine war is going on, vaccine nationalism is going on, and it is a hot topic and trend. Who WHO is saying that uh, not should be nationalism about this vaccine. Many countries are going to that, but what is nationalism, the vaccine nationalism, and whether Chinese got a patent for this coronavirus. It is a topic for our video. And welcome to our channel Independent CJ. Many countries, many vaccine are creating by these different countries. Almost 200 are creating a vaccine for a coronavirus. Which the question arises, which vaccine is gone to this third phase testing? That is, the number is 6. The total of 6, the 3 is belongs to China. That is Sinopharm and military vaccine. The Russia announced that vaccine is created and but many countries are not willing to this buying because they skipped the last trial and tested only a few peoples. The major data is not given by the Russia to other countries, so that many countries is rejected. But the Russia government is saying that more than 20 countries are willing to ready and getting from this vaccine. These are the vaccine war. Chinese Sinopharm announced that they were successfully get a patent at December month, and they are going to believe this. The question arises: how did the vaccine get the vaccine for the patent? The answer is there should be not side effect or any problems to the human. Just before the Russia announced that they founded the vaccine, Chinese also competed with Russia and doing and got a patent in the December month. Sinopharm announced that the 2 doses to get the first vaccine doses, 90% will be stop the vital activity. The second vaccine dose should be taken to make 100%. These are not problem to us, but the problem is to us is the price of this vaccine is 10,000 rupees. In the, you want to say in dollar means $145. In Chinese currency is 1,000 yuan. They are saying that it is cheaper. Before they fixed more than that, and government is adjusting this for these people. But more than we can see that more than 700 crores of people are saying in the lived in this world. Among 7, that is in 7 billion people are living. Imagine how many people of us will be getting this vaccine. Australia saying that announced that they not getting the vaccine should not. They officially announced that not make a mandatory vaccine of forcing to this vaccine, but we can encourage the people to inject the vaccine. Will all countries implement the mandatory vaccine? 2 shortage and all Chinese people want to must put 2 doses. If I take this vaccine, I want to wait for the 28 to 30 hours for this second dose. If we urgent, I want to urgent so that I will be take right hand and left hand at the same time. But Chinese are saying that it is not a better way, and medical notice it is not for it is needed for this vaccine. Notice is must. Some countries are fearing about this vaccine because whether it will be mandatory thing. From this we can understand that the mandatory vaccine control us. The next question will be arising that what vaccine going to India going to take. We cannot justly simply say a vaccine prepared by the China we want to put. Should be a proper medical certificate to make the profit of ourselves, so that we should choose the vaccine properly. Should be have a highly effect to the people and human, and WHO is cornered more than that. Company is testing only for 312 400 people only. The third phase is conducted in UAE, that is United Arab Emirates, and Chinese is demanding a people from the Pakistan for the vaccine. If we get a success, they will share the vaccine. The next country is Saudi Arabia and South Africa. I want to mention that the South Africa is the sad truth is people are considered as a rat. One pharmacy company is saying that they will not give a vaccine if we not get any profit from this. China and Russia is finded a vaccine. Other country will be speed up this process and made a huge error from this maybe error. The error like side effects and any damage in the parts of our body. It may be not reflect any minutes or seconds. Maybe year or in the future will be emits. This leads to follow this unexamined vaccine can be created. These are the vaccine nationalism. WHO is saying that we should not have a nationalism. It is a not proper way. We know that, but it is started. My opinion to take a vaccine is Oxford University vaccine, which is creating vaccine is going on, and price also is less compared to this 10,000 rupees vaccine. It is worth of 250 to 300 rupees only. The Sinopharm process not only for other countries. Chinese government also is threatened. These things is should be under in the insurance, not should be in insurance. It should be government should be create a new project for this vaccine. Then the government should be get a vaccine and supply to the peoples. Chinese government is by this are saying by the Sinopharm company. The other issues is the elder is more in the China, so that the average pension for this elders is 3,000 yuan only. Out of 300 yuan only, they cannot survive with because out of 3,000, they want to give 1,000 yuan to the vaccine. They cannot survive. So the Sinopharm is saying that we should implement a special scheme, whatever that that company will be making a huge profit from this. The Chinese is dominate other countries by the vaccine, and it is saying by this American and media and Western media. Those problems is come at a one point as a coronavirus vaccine. I want as a one doubt that they are creating this fastly vaccine. Why could not find vaccine for this the HIV or dengue or which is highly infectious, and why not publish it? Many countries are investing a lot of amount money for this curing the cancer that is arise. These are the business. We do not ask this question because they will named as a antisocial person. After this, Putin saying that they injected a vaccine to this doctor and it is safe, but the social media is creating a rumor, and around the world the gossip is the doctor is died. People are fearing about this coronavirus, and but the company is saying that if you not give a profit, I will not give a vaccine, and then 1,000 rupees vaccine are created. From this issue, the chance for China and America will be rejoined? Definitely no. These make a huge battle between that country, and some Trumps say that the agreement is between this trade agreement is between the China and America. China imports 200 billion USD worth of products from America. In 2020, should be conducted 286 billion, that is billion USD to conduct, but due to the coronavirus, the no job and no financial stability, so that China is not able to import. Trump saying that no export should be to the China, and suppose think if the China is finded a vaccine first, what America will be do? It is a big question. One question arises that what do other countries think about China? Well, they are one who made this virus and spread all over the world, and now they have introduced this vaccine to the battle against the COVID-19. Our country and government must careful and must look for over all these issues. We should need a vaccine for a safely and effective manner. We should only get a vaccine which is completely harmless and 100% effective against the COVID-19. COVID-19 is a magical web. We should not grab in that share through create a great community. Thank you.